Welcome in this new tutorial. Today we are going to see how to design this search pipe on Fusion 360. So let's start. Open new design, and your new design we are going to create a new sketch on this front plane. So select front plane, and in this sketch we are going to create a circle. So come here, create, and select circle. We draw our circle at the middle of our plane, and we can enter directly our dimension. You can give 30 like our diameter and say okay, finish sketch. Now you can go to create and select extrude. When we select extrude, you can move like this to enter your dimension or you can directly enter your dimension like 100 and say okay. Here we have our cylinder, and it helps us to have another cylinder here to intersect. So now we are going to construct and select the tangent plane. Select tangent plane and select this face. Then this plane will be tangent to this face and say okay. If you have this, come to construct and select the offset plane. Select this plane and move this plane like this to enter your dimension. You can enter like 50 and say okay. Now you can go here, select your construct and hide this plane. If you do that, select this plane and create new sketch. This new sketch will be again a circle. So select the circle tools and here draw one circle and give 80 like the dimension and say okay. So now you can click on D in your keyboard to activate sketch dimension, or come here, create, and select sketch dimension. Select the center of your circle and this center point, and now you can enter a 50 like the dimension and say finish sketch. Now you can extrude your sketch. Select extrude and here extrude like this. So if you do that, you will see your circle remove the material, but we don't need that. So come here, extend the type and select EC to object. When we select object, they will ask you which is your object. Select this object and automatically your extrude will apply and say here okay. If you do that, you have now your pipe. So come here, modify, and select here shell. If you select that, select this face again, and you can select here orbit and move like this to select this. And now you can enter your dimension like 1 millimeter and say okay. If you press on shift in your keyboard and the middle of your mouse, you can do the rotation. So now you can turn like this simply. So you have now your pipe is until finish. So you can go in modify and select appearance. When you select appearance, you can move like you can move to take plastic, and in plastic you can select your choice which color you want. You can select this and take this, move like this, and the appearance will apply. So now close it. We have finished our design, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you like the video, and let's see you for next video.